Hey, welcome back to my shop. Got to start a new video for Jade's walking stick. Didn't have enough room in the last video, so I'm going to put the rest of it in a video. It's going to be kind of short. I'm going to just do the grip, the lanyard, and the compass. So I'll probably add something else, maybe a trip to one of the state parks in this video. Otherwise, it will be 10 minutes long. And I'm sitting out in the shop with the door open because it's such a gorgeous day, but as you can hear, traffic noise, so I'm sorry you'll have to put up with the traffic noise a little bit. It's just too nice a day to have the door closed. So let me get the camera set up and I will get back to you as quick as I can. Okay, I've already got the hole drilled and the leather glued in the hole, a little tiny hole. And like I said before, this is the hardest part of the whole thing, is to get this first few windings straight so it don't look weird. And I might even have to splice. I'm hoping not, but as I was looking at the leather, it doesn't, I should say there's a knot in it, and it when they do it where I get the leather, of course, they don't have complete lengths. Now I'm all tangled here. So to get the full spool, they might have to splice and keep winding. So there'll be a knot in it. But I've got a way to cut that out and just basically do it like I start and stop. Drill a little hole, put it in, and then drill another little hole and put it in and start over. But, and as I go, I like to put a little bit of glue every once in a while. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. It's just a little dot. Okay, I got the grip finished. I hope you can see it. And then I run a bead of glue around the bottom. And I use Loctite super glue. It's a liquid, so it really kind of spreads out as it goes. Let me get the camera up here. So I think it really turned out pretty nice, pretty darn nice. I'll do the glue on the top too. As soon as this sets up real good, I know it's set now, but I'm not going to take any chances. I'm going to let it set for a few more minutes, turn it over, do the glue on the other side, this side of it. Then I'll be ready to put the compass in, and then that'll have to sit overnight to get glued up, set. So I'll get back to you as soon as I get everything ready for the compass. Now for the compass. I have learned my lesson with these compasses. The back is just as unbelievable smooth as glass. So I take ultra coarse sandpaper and go in there and just scratch it up real bad on the bottom so that this glue will adhere and set. Let me get my reading glasses down here. You don't have to be careful with the bottom of this thing at all. I don't know if you can see it, but I really got it scratched up. So I'm going to get the camera set up. I got to raise it up a little bit because we're going to have to go clear up there to do it. So let me turn the camera off and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I got a real good amount of epoxy mixed up here. I put some down in here. And then a good amount on the back of the compass. All right. Set it down in there. Sitting good. And what I like to do is to take a little piece of cardboard or paper or something, set it there, and then I go to my painter's tape and I tape it right over the top. Pull it nice and tight so it holds it, and then that's the way it sits until tomorrow. So get the camera up here and put it up a little bit. Well, let me set it back down. Kind of silly going up here doing this. Okay, we're back down to level now. Now, I'll set this up, put it up on the, right, put it to dry. And that's on, and the thing I've got to do, and I forgot, I'm going to put tacks on this one too. I like my tacks, so I'll probably put 3 rows of tacks next to each 3 sets of grooves. I'm going to use antique brass dome tacks on this one. See how they are. So I guess we'll have to wait until tomorrow to get this one going on on the lanyard and the tacks. Oh, thank you for sticking around with me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, I'm back, and what I'm doing is I'm marking out for the tacks right now. I got everything measured out. These were 3 different sizes. This was 4 1/4, this was 4, and this was 3 3/4. So, and I divided them all by 8 to just have even numbers in these. But anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm going to punch them with my center punch here. I got it set on real light, so I don't blast a big old hole in it. So let me get the camera set down, and we'll do a few of them, and then we'll go on to putting in. I drill a little pilot hole, and it's only just, you know, yay deep, just enough to get the tack started, and then I tap it in. Otherwise I have to hold it with a pair of pliers, set it in there and tap it, because to get a hold of that little tack with my fingers and then try to get a hammer down there, it just don't work. So so I go with I 1/32 drill bit, and that's just big enough to be able to push that down in just oh golly, maybe a 32nd or 1/16 of an inch into the wood, and then I hammer it the rest of the way in. So anyway, let me get the thing set down, the camera set down, so I can do some center punching, and we'll go on from there. Okay, now let me get the camera set back up here. Alright, got all the holes pilot holes drilled. Now I got to get my tacks around and the little hammer that I use. So I'll be back to you in a jiff. Okay, I changed my mind on the kind of tack that I wanted to use. I'm going to use the antique flat top, or domed, I guess you could say. They're not the crowned like I was going to. There it is. Let me get the camera back up here. There we go. There's the antiqued tacks. Now I got to put the Lanyard in there. So let me take a quick break and come back and we will do that. Okay, be right back. And again, I got so involved in what I was doing, I forgot to film how I drill that hole, and for some reason, I don't know what it is that I forget. Next time, I promise, I will show you how I drill this hole without splitting everything out. But we're going to go on now, and I'm going to slip the lanyard through it. Get the, down here a little bit. Now this is a 3/8 hole, and these are 3/8 leather. I cut them off on an angle because they come straight across. Cut them off on an angle because they come straight across. So they can be a real beggar to get in the first time. I've even had to use pliers. There they are. Okay. And pull a pretty good amount through, because most of the time you're going to have to go through and trim it off and then cut it. So this is the concho I'm using. This is silver. And one side, down and out the other side. Now, everything is going to have to be adjusted after whoever gets the stick. Once they get it, everything's going to have to be adjusted after that. There's concho up straight. Let me get the camera back up here. Get these goofy glasses off. But this is it. There's the concho. The stick, like I said, it's going to have to be adjusted to the size of the wrist and how they hold it. And then what I do is I cut it off right here with the bottom of the concho so that it's not in the way. But there it is. Now what I do to finish it out is I put a real good coat of wax on it. I think it turned out pretty good. I kind of like it. I hope I like it. So, thank you guys for watching. I don't know, I might have enough room on this video to put another one of the state parks on it, so we'll have to see. But anyway, thank you for watching me do Jade's walking stick, and we'll do more in the future. Thank you all very much. Just remember, everyone, get your walking sticks, hiking sticks, your canes, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful.